Hello, my name is Harry Patel and you are at the Barco booth. At InfoComm here, we are announcing two new products. We have the Barco IO gateway that is powered by an open standard IPMX. It is an encoder, decoder, a transcoder, again an AVoIP transcoder using a standardized protocol for transport. We have several versions that contains from high bandwidth to very compressed, HDMI and SDI encoder, decoder using a standardized protocol. IPMX is that protocol with tons of value. And also we are talking about our Encore3. Now, image processing at Barco comes with 20 years of history in supporting our customers in live events. Now we are also focusing towards Pro AV, and Encore3 is the perfect product that is easy to design, easy to operate, and also easy to spec in as well. A single chassis has 8 times 4K60 program outputs, and when you stack them together, now we have 16 4K60 program outputs with tons of new features, easy to use. Anyway, there's a lot more to learn. Come visit us at barco.com. Thank you for joining.